Now, shisha or hookah is widely smoked in many social settings, like lounges and bars in many countries. All kinds of shisha charcoal briquette machine can provide enough shisha or hookah charcoal. According to different requirements about the shisha charcoal, the shape can be tablet, cube, rectangle, triangular, cylinder, and other customized shapes. The raw materials for shisha or hookah charcoal can be bamboo, rice husk, coconut shell, peanut shell, wood chips, and especially fruit tree. The hookah briquette machine mainly produces the cube hookah charcoal with a large capacity. It can produce 42 pieces of shisha charcoal for each press, and the output can reach 250 to 300 kg per hour. This is a hydraulic type shisha charcoal briquette machine, which mainly includes the power distribution cabinet, the pump station, the hydraulic cylinder, and the mold. The mold in shisha or hookah tablet briquette machine can be changed easily based on different needs of users. When the charcoal power is pressed, the feed bean will push the cube charcoal out and refill the mold with the material inlet. The final cube shisha charcoal has advantages of high density, perfect shape, good appearance, easy for combustion, no smell, and can last longer when burning.